Okay, Mitali, your thoughts on the same.
Devika, I think I completely echo the sentiments of the fellow panelists, but I think what is very critical is to understand what distinguishes the timing of this visit and what distinguishes some of the statements that our German friend also made earlier in the show. See, Germany has always been a long term partner of India, particularly when also I look at international development assistance. GIZ, KFW, these have been two entities that have always been very eager to look at some of the areas that other development partners have not wanted to look at. For example, even for my own work, I do a lot of work with entities like GIZ simply because they are looking at green technologies, they are looking at gender inclusion, they are looking at sustainability in a way that I have found that maybe some of the other bilateral partners are not. And they are very willing to collaborate with private sector. They're very willing to work with a number of different entities. So I think somewhere it is very much in India's interest to continue working on these bilateral relationships. India is already in the midst of negotiating the EU FTA. We have had very positive discussions on the EU FTA and we're moving forward with that. So in this context, it becomes very, very critical that countries like Germany, countries like Italy, Netherlands, while they may be maintaining their relationship with the US, they are also happy to maintain their relationship with India and China. And those are very critical conversations in a multipolar world. Also, German technology, while it's not the same as what it used to be, several years ago, we all used to swear by German technology. That's definitely not kept up in today's world. It's still something that, especially in the area of green energy and in the area of semiconductor technology, is still ahead of many other countries. We can still leverage that. So I think there are definitely, and in today's world, everyone knows that you must not put your eggs in one basket. So whether it's dealing with Germany, whether it's dealing with other European countries, maintaining our bilateral relations with each of these European countries is critical in a multipolar world.